Welcome everyone to my maths class, and today's topic is introduction of percentage. Today I will be telling you how to solve various questions on percentage. So let's get started.
Percentage are used very commonly in real life situations such as a discount offered on prices of articles, to find out grades obtained by students, to find percent mix of items in food, recipes or medicines, to find tax and interest. Now we learn in an elaborated manner. Alright, now if you can see lots of colors are here, red, orange, green. Now if you can see, I have made a checkbox over here. Alright, and I've written row 10 and column 10. That means there are 10 number of rows and 10 number of columns. Alright, now those who doesn't know how to determine between the column and a row, this is your column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And where are the rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, this is your row and this is your column. Alright, so now number of rows 10, number of columns 10. That means total number of square boxes are 100. Alright, so now how many red dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So out of 100 boxes, the red color boxes are how much? 28 out of 100. So what is the percentage? 28%. Similarly for orange, 32% because 32 number of column boxes are there. Similarly for green and blue. Now I have made a similar kind of structure over here to make it more easy. If you can see red color dots, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many percentage? Correct, 7. Very good. Same for orange, same for green and same for blue. Now we need to find out the total difference, the total or a difference of the percentages. If two percentages are given to you, then how you will find out? To whether to add, whether to subtract. Let's find it out with the particular question. Susan ate 40% of the cake and John ate 30% of the cake. What percentage of cake is left? So, percentage of cake Susan ate is 40. Percentage of cake John ate 30. What is the total? Yes, 40 plus 30. That means yes, we are talking about 70. Now, in total, what should be the percentage? 100%, out of which 70 is eaten. So, what is left? 100 minus 70, we get an answer as 30. So, 30% cake is still left. I hope you have understood by this question how to add or subtract. Now we will convert a fraction into percentage. For converting fraction to percentage, we multiply the fraction by 100%. Alright, if you can see, I've highlighted also. We multiply the fraction by 100%. Let's take an example. 4 by 5. 4 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So 4 by 5, if I want to convert it to percent, I need to multiply by 100%. So 4 into 100 divide by 5. Now 5, what it does, it's in denominator, so it will divide any of the one which is getting divisible. 4 is not getting divisible, but yes, 100 is getting divisible, if you can see. So how much is left? 20. So 4 into 20, that means what is the answer which I get? 80%. Now we'll talk about another one, 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into 100, because we need to convert it to percentage. So 700 upon 10, 1 0 will strike off the other 0 at the top. So what we get? 70%. Now we'll go on to the another one. That means we will convert a percentage into fraction. In this, see, we'll do just the opposite. In the previous one, we were multiplying. Now we will divide by 100. If you can see, we will divide by 100. Suppose I have 30%. So 30 divided by 100, what I get? 30 by 100. Now in this, you strike off the 0 and write down 3 by 10. Similarly for 50, similarly for 60. In 60, if you can see, I got 60 by 10, but still it is getting divisible by which number? 2. Always remember, children, we need to reduce down a fraction to a lowest term. So if I divide 6 by 2, but I get 3 and 5. Make sure when you are reducing, you reduce with the same number. Alright? Understanding the percentage of fraction with the help of diagram. If we can see, the whole percentage is colored. So it is 100% and fraction is 1. Now if I have divided it 1 by 2, how much is colored? 1. So 1 by 2. What is the percentage? Again, if I want to convert a percentage into fraction, what we do? We will multiply by 100. Yes. So 50%. And similarly for the other one. If we can see, the other I have made. Have a look. Yes, I hope things are really clear to you now.
Hope you have understood the topic really well. For more educational videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel. DM your concerned topic on our Instagram page. Our Instagram handle is @ss.edu_. Thank you so much for watching our video and giving your precious time.